Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to the series in which we are working on a WordPress website. And as you know that we are creating an e-commerce website, and we'll be working furthermore in the next parts. Uh, let me explain that what we are doing. That you can see that we have customized our website till now. And in this video, we will be working on the products part and how the WooCommerce platform is being managed, how the admin panel is working. So in this video, we will be discussing about the admin panel and how the WooCommerce platform is working. So we will discuss it in this video. And in the next parts, we will be discussing about many other plugins which we can furthermore add into this tool. Okay. So first of all, just click onto the site admin part and just click and just write WP admin. Write down the name and the password. Okay, so you can see that it's an admin panel and click on the discuss part, click on the remind me later part, and after that, so now you can see that there is a WooCommerce part over here. Okay, and you have different many other parts also. You can also add the new page. You can also add the new part of any category. For suppose if you want to add a new page, just click onto the add new page. Okay, so you have to update the WordPress panel as it's showing that you have a new update over here. Okay, just click onto that and just click onto the edit with Elementor part. Okay, so the page name is right now Elementor 136, and as you can see, it will just provide you the header and the footer part, and you can more customize it. You can more add many. As you can see, that there is a header part and the footer part over here, which I have told you that it is already included in that. For suppose I just want to add any image over here, or if I just want to add any uh, gallery part, for suppose I just want to add this structure, so I will be working on that. I just want to click on that, and if I want to add any image, so you can just add the image. For suppose I just want to add image also over there, so I just click on to this, and it can be easily added like this. And if you want to click on this, just for suppose I just would you don't want to add the next image, so I will just drag this image over here and it will be automatically placed over here. And if you want third image also, so you can just easily drag over here. Okay, so I'll just click on to the image and just click on the choose image part. And if you want any image, for suppose I just want to add the headphones and hand free, so I will be adding like this. Just select, click on to the select icon, and just again click on to the headphone part. So as this image is smaller, that's why it is being uploaded like this. But if you want any image again, then you can easily change it. Just click on and just delete it. Okay, so click on it, choose image. Okay, and now just click on to the watch for suppose, and if you want to add this image, and if you want to drag it, if you want to change the size of the image, you can change the size from here also, but its full image size is this. Okay, so right now I just want to explain that how you can add the page. So you can just click onto the publish page, it will be updated, and if you want to preview it, it is easily, you can watch it easily. Okay, so we will be further working on it in the next parts, but right now I just want to focus on the admin dashboard part. Okay, so just click onto the web visit development side, close both of these, Just click on to the this part as you want. Just click onto the dashboard. It will navigate to the admin dashboard. As now you can see that there's a WooCommerce platform and there's a products part. First of all, we will be discussing about that how many types are there in and how many options are there in WooCommerce part. This, first, we will be discussing about the home tab. Okay, so you can see that WooCommerce through this, this is a guide. This is a guide. You can set up the store. So suppose I just want to add Pakistan. So Pakistan SIM and just click on to the go to my store. It will take some time and then it will set up the store. Okay, now the store has been set up successfully. You can see that we can customize the store, get paid, collect taxes, and many things more. Now we will be discussing about. So after the home tab, just click on to the orders tab. Just click on the customers tab. You can just check it out that how many orders you have. Okay, so right now we don't have any other order as I have not placed any order right now. So first of all, we will just go towards the products first. So that first of all, we will place the product and then we will go towards the add to cart functionality so that we can check how the product have been ordered and how the payment method is going on. Okay, so first of all, just click on the, as you can see that these are all the products. If you want any new product, you can easily add it. First of all, we will be looking at how the existing product is working. So just click on, for example, suppose I'm just clicking on the beads part, and if you just check it out, that the beads part is the product. As we have to check it out. So you can see that the image, the description of the product, for suppose I just want to update it. I just want to uh, base, for suppose I'm deciding base headphones. Okay, I just want to update the price. For suppose I just want to add the price 1000 rupees. Okay, and the sale price is for suppose 900 rupees. Okay, and as I just want to schedule the sale part time, so you can also place it. For suppose I just want to add a sale till then the first week of August. Okay, so I just writing it and you can add the sale over here from here. Okay, and you can also categorize the product as it is it lies in the headphone part, so you can easily add from here. Okay, if you want to uh, write anything, like suppose I just want to add a Beats headphone, and if this you can click onto the update button, so it will update the product easily. Now you can see the product. Just click on to the view product part. It will navigate towards the Beat headphone. As you can see, the firstly price was 1000 and now it is 900 just because of C. Okay, all the things have been updated and you can see the description part over here and you can see as just move towards the main website so that we can check that the home page is updated or not. Okay, so just check it out that yes, you can see the sale is also sale option is also arrived over here as and you can also see that the name of the headphone is also changed. Okay, just click on the dashboard again and just click over here. Just go towards the product part, all product, and if you want to change the image, you can also change it very easily. Just remove the product or just click onto the product part. Or suppose just click onto this, you can be easily navigated. And if you want to add a smartwatch, just click onto the set product image and write the name. Sorry, ignore the background. Just write the smart You can write latest smartwatch and just write over here latest smartwatch. Okay, you can write latest smartwatch over here, and after that just update it. Now you may check that the product is updated or not. Great. Now you can see that the product is updated. Okay, so now if you want to add a new product, so how we can do that? You can also, as I told you that you can also set the image. You can also set the price range. You can also set the product inventory. It is, it is out of stock or on a backward order or in stock. We will discuss it later also. This is the link product attributes, and if you want to add any color, same size. For suppose I just want to add, let's suppose I will be adding like blue, and I'm writing over here blue color. Okay, this set this, and as you have written that it's a blue attribute, just click onto the variable product. Okay, and got it. And now select the variation part, as I have already added the mm, use for variation. I just forgot to click on that. Just click onto the use for variation part, and if you want something more, you can also set that easily. Okay, so I am just writing red color also, and right now I am just writing red. Sorry, I just click onto the save button and go towards the variation part. Just click onto the variation, and then now you can see that if you want to add generation like this, you just click onto the generate variation. It will recommend you do both of the colors. Okay, and if you want to add any price for the colors also, you can also write that. For suppose I just want to write 1200 and just write okay, so now the price is being updated for the specific color, and you can check it out also. Okay, and if you want to write any purchase note, just besides if you want, if you, for example, if you want, yeah, I just want to write early order will get more discount. Okay, so just click it, and if you want to update it, you can easily do that. Okay, just click onto the update part, and it will get updated successfully. Okay, so just go towards the Shopify store, refresh it. Now if you want to click onto the smartwatch icon, just click on this, and here you will be able to, as you can see, that you have an option to select any of them. If you want to add blue, you can easily add. If you want to add red, you can easily add, and you can also do that. You can easily select one of that also. If you want only the single color, let's suppose if you don't want any of the color, so you can also update it also. Okay, now we will be doing that. The variation should be set successfully. Right now, it is creating some disturbance over here. Just go towards the variation part again, and remove it. Okay, if you want add manually, you can also add the type of that manually also, and we will be further discussing it later. First of all, right now I'm just going to add the product part. For suppose I just want to add the new product, so Just click onto the product. Let's suppose I just want to add a new smartwatch. Sorry. Okay. Just click onto that. I'm just going to write Ronin Luna watch for suppose. Okay. So if you want to write Luna watch, just write it Ronin Luna. Here's the watch. Oh. Okay. So I have selected this watch, and you can easily add a product like this. That you just click onto the image part, and here's the image. Just click onto the set product part, and click on the upload files. Okay, just click on the selected file, select file, and just click onto the download part as I have set the picture, save the picture over here. I think the image is okay. Here it is, the image. Here's the image. Okay, just click onto the set product image. The image product has been just added. Just click on to as you can see that there is a category. We will also further discussing about the categories and just creating the new categories also in the next part. But right now I am just adding the in watches for suppose. But right now I don't think so that there's a watch is presented over here. Okay, I am just going to add right now in the gadgets part and writing the this for suppose in sale it is of 2000 rupees. Okay, so just click on to the save part update publish. Okay, so you can see that the new product has been added successfully. Here's the image, here's the description, and the sale point also. As I'm just clicking on to the home part, and the most of the products which we have added are presented over here. As you can see that the image of the new product have been added, and it will also set onto the sale also. Okay, just click on to that, and now you can see that if I want to add to the add to cart this option, for suppose I'm just clicking onto it. Right now I don't have any uh, user account. We will be discussing it later. If you can see that the product have been added into the cart successfully, just click onto the view card option, and if you can see that it is list down below, you can also apply the coupon card, and you can see the quantity of the product has been also updated. Just click onto the proceed to checkout card. Just click on it. Okay, so after that you have to fill up the form, and as we have not settled down the payment method, so it will not will be further proceeded. So we will be discussing it later that how we can set the payment plan. Till then, we have discussed that how admin panel can be used, how the products can be added, how the products can be updated. We will be discussing about the how products can be deleted later, and we have also discussed in this video that how we can add a new page. Okay, so I hope this that you have liked this video, and if you find anything informative, to just do subscribe, uh, and also if you want anything, if you want to discuss anything with me, you can also comment down below. Wait for the next video. Till then, stay tuned. Allah Hafiz.